Laundry. Laundry aids/agents. What is laundry? Laundry refers to the washing, drying and ironing of clothes and linens. What are linens? Linens refers to household goods intended for daily use such as beddings, tablecloths, and towels. What are laundry aids/agents? These are materials used to improve the laundering results. Examples: bleach, blues, vinegar, etc. Laundry blues. Bluing products are designed to improve the brightness of white fabrics. They contain a blue pigment that is taken up by the fabric during the rinsing process. It works by counteracting the natural yellowing of fabrics. Laundry boosters. Laundry boosters are additives that you add to your wash to help make your regular laundry detergent more effective. They improve the stain and soil removal power of your detergent. Water softener. These are added to the wash water when laundering. It works by removing the magnesium and calcium present in your water supply through a process of ion exchange, turning it from hard water to soft water. Water softeners improves the cleaning action of detergent in hard water. Starches/sizing agents. Laundry starch can be made from rice, corn, or wheat. These are laundry cleaning aids that are used in the final rinse to make the fabric more soil resistant and make ironing easier. They can also be sprayed on during the ironing process. The use of starch adds body to fabrics. Bleach. There are two types of bleach, chlorine and oxygen, that are available in the market as laundry cleaning aid. They are used to help remove stubborn stains and whiten and brighten fabrics. Oxygen bleach is a gentler and less toxic alternative to chlorine bleach, so it can be used on all sorts of washable fabrics, including colored fabrics, wool, and silk. Vinegar. White distilled vinegar can be used in the laundry to improve the laundry process by softening clothes naturally, remove mildew odor, reduce lints, fight armpit odor, protect dark colors, brighten and whiten whites, reduces soap residue. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon helps to break down stains and get those dingy whites back to bright. And unlike bleach, lemon juice is safe for colors, too. It also acts as a deodorizer, giving your laundry a fresh smell. Stain removers. Stain removers are substances that you use for removing unwanted stains from a surface. Stain removers get rid of stains by using one or more of these four techniques: dissolving the stain, emulsifying the stain, digesting the stain, hiding the stain. Before using a stain remover, test to ensure that it does not cause damage to the fabric. Fabric softeners. Fabric softeners contains lubricating ingredients that help coat and soften fibers in your fabrics when added to your laundry in the form of liquid, powder or dryer sheets. They help the fabric to fight wrinkles, reduce static cling and add a soft touch and fresh scent to your laundry. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and cleaner. Adding it to your laundry is a great way to gently clean your clothes, to remove tough smell and stains, and to brighten your whites. Using baking soda can also help soften hard water and so boost the power of your detergent. If you watched and found this video interesting and would like to see more, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.